Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of caffeinated delight with our top 5 best coffee makers of 2024. From programmable timers to customizable brew settings, these machines offer a tantalizing array of options to suit every taste and preference. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology and innovative designs that make these coffee makers stand out from the crowd. Number 01. Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of caffeinated delight with our top 5 best coffee makers of 2024. From programmable timers to customizable brew settings, these machines offer a tantalizing array of options to suit every taste and preference. Join us as we explore the cutting-edge technology and innovative designs that make these coffee makers stand out from the crowd. Link in description. Number 02. Cuisinart Coffee Maker. As the sun rises, casting its gentle glow upon a new day, there's one ritual that brings comfort and anticipation: the aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air. In the realm of coffee makers, the Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 stands tall, promising to elevate your morning brew experience to new heights. After spending considerable time with this marvel of engineering, it's time to delve into a comprehensive review of its features, performance, and overall allure. User-friendly interface. Navigating the controls of the Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 is a breeze, thanks to its intuitive interface and digital display. Programming your brew preferences, setting the brew strength, and scheduling brewing times are effortless tasks, empowering you to customize your coffee experience with ease. The auto-on feature ensures that a fresh pot of coffee awaits you each morning, greeting you with its aromatic embrace as you start your day. Performance and versatility. In terms of performance, the Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 surpasses expectations, consistently delivering rich, flavorful coffee with every brew cycle. The precision temperature control ensures optimal brewing conditions, extracting the full spectrum of flavors from your favorite coffee grounds. Whether you prefer a bold espresso or a smooth drip coffee, this machine caters to your palate with impeccable precision. Durability and maintenance. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 epitomizes durability and reliability. The high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship ensure longevity, promising years of faithful service without compromise. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free, thanks to the removable parts and the self-cleaning function, allowing you to focus on enjoying your coffee without the burden of tedious upkeep. Link in description. Number 03. Oral-B IO Series 9 Electric Toothbrush. In the pursuit of the perfect cup of coffee or tea, precision and control are paramount. Enter the Cuisinart Electric Gooseneck Kettle, a sophisticated tool crafted to elevate your pour-over experience to new heights. With its array of features, including 5 temperature-controlled presets and a sleek stainless steel design, this kettle promises to revolutionize your brewing ritual. Join me as we explore its intricacies and unravel the secrets behind its brewing prowess. Temperature control precision. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Electric Gooseneck Kettle is its 5 temperature control presets, catering to the unique requirements of different brewing methods. Whether you're brewing delicate green tea, robust French press coffee, or anything in between, the ability to select the ideal temperature ensures optimal flavor extraction and aroma retention. Performance and efficiency. Powered by a robust 1200W heating element, the Cuisinart Electric Gooseneck Kettle heats water swiftly and efficiently, minimizing wait times and maximizing convenience. The rapid heating capability ensures that you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your favorite brew. User-friendly features. In addition to its advanced temperature control capabilities, the Cuisinart Electric Gooseneck Kettle boasts a range of user-friendly features designed to enhance your brewing experience. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, ensuring stability and control during pouring. The 360-degree swivel base allows for easy maneuverability, accommodating both left-handed and right-handed users with equal ease. Link in description. Number 04. OXO Good Grips Cold Brew Coffee Maker. In the realm of coffee brewing, there's a method that stands out for its simplicity, versatility, and smooth, flavorful results: cold brew. And when it comes to crafting the perfect cold brew at home, the OXO Good Grips 32-ounce cold brew coffee maker emerges as a true champion. With its thoughtful design, user-friendly features, and ability to extract the full spectrum of flavors from your favorite coffee beans, this coffee maker promises to revolutionize your cold brew experience. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets behind its brewing prowess. Patented brewing method. At the heart of the OXO Cold Brew Coffee Maker lies its patented brewing method, which combines immersion brewing with a perforated rainmaker to ensure optimal extraction and uniform saturation of the coffee grounds. This innovative approach unlocks the true potential of your coffee beans, resulting in a smooth, flavorful brew with minimal bitterness and acidity. Built to last. Crafted from high-quality materials and built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the OXO Good Grips Cold Brew Coffee Maker exemplifies durability and reliability. The borosilicate glass carafe is resistant to thermal shock, ensuring that it can withstand extreme temperature changes without cracking or shattering. Additionally, all components are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and maintenance, making it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen arsenal. Link in description. Number 05. Technivorm Moccamaster Coffee Maker. In the realm of coffee craftsmanship, Technivorm Moccamaster stands as a beacon of excellence, renowned for its unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and innovation. Among its esteemed lineup, the Technivorm Moccamaster KBGV 10-cup coffee maker emerges as a true masterpiece, combining impeccable design with unparalleled brewing performance. With its matte silver finish and capacity to brew 10 cups of coffee, this machine promises to redefine your coffee experience. Join me as we embark on a journey to explore the intricacies of this iconic coffee maker and uncover the secrets behind its brewing prowess. Exquisite design and craftsmanship. From the moment you lay eyes on the Technivorm Moccamaster KBGV, its exquisite design and meticulous craftsmanship captivate your senses. The matte silver finish exudes sophistication and elegance, while the sleek silhouette adds a touch of modernity to any kitchen countertop. Crafted with precision in the Netherlands, this coffee maker is a testament to Technivorm's unwavering dedication to quality and aesthetic excellence. Optimal brewing temperature. At the heart of the Technivorm Moccamaster KBGV lies its most defining feature, the ability to brew coffee at the optimal temperature. Unlike conventional coffee makers that may compromise on temperature control, the KBGV employs a unique copper heating element that ensures water is heated to the ideal temperature range of 196 degrees Fahrenheit to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature control maximizes flavor extraction and ensures that every cup of coffee is rich, flavorful, and perfectly balanced. Fast and efficient brewing. Equipped with a powerful 1450-watt heating element, the Technivorm Moccamaster KBGV brews coffee with remarkable speed and efficiency. Within minutes, the water reaches the optimal brewing temperature, allowing for swift extraction of flavors from the coffee grounds.